ACF's Office of Planning, Research, and Evaluation,
The OPRE logo appears against a blue background.
or OPRE, builds evidence to improve the lives of children and families.
Photographs. A family with 2 young children lays on their stomachs in the grass and smiles.
This includes research and evaluation related to the areas of self-sufficiency,
A mom sits on the floor and happily watches her baby playing with a block.
welfare, and employment.
A woman wearing a hard hat and orange vest stands and smiles at a construction site.
ACF's Office of Family Assistance, OFA,
An animated map of the United States appears with the OFA logo.
administers the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, TANF program to states, the District of Columbia, eligible territories, and federally recognized tribes. Additionally, from 2010 through 2021, the office administered the Health Profession Opportunity Grants, or HPOG.
2 boxes labeled Temporary Assistance for Needy Families TANF and Health Profession Opportunity Grants HPOG emerge.
TANF funds are used to provide cash assistance payments to families with children with low incomes.
An animation zooms into a building through an open door and reveals a photo of a woman sitting at a desk with a baby on her lap. She reads from her laptop while the baby plays with a notebook. 2 women sit face to face across a desk in an office. One woman listens while the other gestures out of focus.
And to support a range of services to promote family economic well-being.
A man sitting at a desk in a classroom smiles amongst other adult students.
For example, TANF funds are used for programs that promote job readiness through education and training.
An animation zooms out of a building through a closing door and shows illustrations of a hard hat, briefcase, laptop, and a box labeled Job Readiness, Education, and Training.
Provide assistance with childcare, transportation, or other services that support employment activities, and subsidize services that support family strengthening.
An adult reading a book to a group of seated children appears with a box labeled Assistance with Childcare. A family with a young child stands together with a box labeled Services that support family strengthening.
The HPOG program further supported TANF goals by providing education and training in the healthcare field.
Photographs. Health professionals sit at a row of classroom computers and focus on taking notes. A box labeled Health Profession Opportunity Grants HPOG appears. A health professional practices using a blood pressure monitor. She wears a blood pressure cuff and stethoscope and listens to the pulse on her upper arm.
To recipients of TANF and other individuals with low incomes.
A health professional concentrates on dispensing medication with a syringe while another health professional observes.
OPRE's research and evaluation portfolio on these topics is shaped by the Welfare and Family Self-Sufficiency Learning Agenda.
An animation shows a woman sitting at a table and holding a pamphlet while 2 men and another woman nod and discuss. A box labeled Welfare and Family Self-Sufficiency Learning Agenda appears.
Which was co-created with OFA and informed by engagements with state, local, and tribal partners, researchers, program participants, practitioners, and other members of the human services community.
An animation shows 2 researchers presenting at a whiteboard. One uses a yardstick to point to different diagrams on the whiteboard.
This portfolio includes rigorous evaluations of specific strategies.
The animation zooms in on the whiteboard and replaces the diagrams with 3 moving cogs. Arrows indicate they are moving clockwise.
That seek to foster family economic well-being in ways that reduce the need for public assistance,
The animation changes to replace the cogs with a pile of boxes stacking one on top of another.
including career pathways and post-secondary training models.
The animation again replaces the boxes with an arrow that points from the bottom left corner to the top right corner, indicating growth. Boxes labeled with stars appear along the arrow.
And a wide range of employment supports.
The animation returns to 3 icons of a hard hat, laptop, and briefcase on top of a blue circle.
It also addresses how broader social context and environmental factors relate to family outcomes.
Photographs. 2 people grasp hands in an embrace. A young student high-fives an adult wearing a reflective vest as he enters a school bus with other happy students.
Additionally, the portfolio supports activities to build the research and evaluation capacity of human services agencies and related programs.
Photographs. A boy blows out birthday candles on a cake surrounded by people clapping and cheering in a backyard. A diverse group of children run across a field away from the camera.
And to communicate findings to key audiences.
A gleeful boy swings while an adult smiles behind him, ready to give the boy another push on the swing.
This growing body of research aims to inform programs and policies in ways that ultimately improve the lives of people participating in TANF and other people with low incomes.
An animation shows a box labeled, "This growing body of research aims to inform programs and policies." It replaces the box with a building in a field. Documents fly to a new box labeled Temporary Assistance for Needy Families TANF.
Explore what we're learning about self-sufficiency, welfare, and employment on the topic page.
The OPRE logo emerges and replaces the building and box. The screen shows the web address for the self-sufficiency topic page. acf.hhs.gov/OPRE/topic/self-sufficiency-welfare-employment.